Hey everyone, decided to clamp up this Sargent here. This is a Sargent that PickME1977 sent me. It works flawlessly, but the tolerances in this thing is real nice. The other day, I even admitted in some posts that I spent nearly a couple hours in total messing with this lock and never did get it open. I admitted, I want to make an excuse here, I was having a bad picking day. But a few minutes ago, I decided to clamp this thing up and pick it in reverse. And when I decided to pick it in reverse, it was almost like this thing was falling open like magic. So let's go ahead and do pin number 1. Push them way up there. Okay, got a click. Pin number 2. Okay. Okay, actually I think I overset one there. So pin 1 is really high cut. Okay, got a click out of them. Okay. Now I'm going to pin 2. Okay, there's pin 2. There's pin 3. Pin 4, pin 5, and pin 6. And this thing just fell open, picking it in reverse. Sometimes they're just easier to pick that way, guys. Alright, so let's go ahead and gut it. It is standard pins. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and lock it back up. Where'd I put my screwdriver? There it is. Okay, got the clip off. Let's go ahead and put the key in, and I need maybe this follower. Yeah, that'll work. Pin 1's a standard, 2's a standard, 3's a standard, 4, 5, and 6 are all standards. No modifications to the plug. Alright. One's a standard. 2's a standard. 3's a standard. So is 4. 5 and 6. All stock springs and no modifications to the Bible. Come on, camera, you can focus. I know you can. Maybe. Come on. There we go. So yep, no modifications to the Bible and all standard pins, guys. So that's just a little story of tolerances, and sometimes it's just easier to get it picking it in the opposite direction. Pick me. Thanks for the lock. I really appreciate it. Everyone else, stay safe. Don't do anything illegal. Never pick any locks that you don't own or locks that you don't have permission to pick. And as always, please like and subscribe by pressing the big subscribe button under the video.